If we just think 5 years ahead, it's clear how much medical costs are rising. Something that cost 5 lakh today could easily become 10 or 12 lakh. Even a simple hospital bill that feels manageable right now might double in the future. Now, the real problem is that most people still keep the same old health plan with the same cover and the same limits, while medical costs keep climbing. And that's why just a normal health plan is not enough anymore. Then, what you really need is a plan that does not just cover you but also grow with time and gives you complete protection, like when you need it the most. And that's exactly where HDFC Ergo's Optima Secure makes sense. It's designed to grow with time because as healthcare cost increases every year, your coverage should increase too. Instead of staying stuck, your cover keeps multiplying, restoring and protecting you automatically, making sure you and your family are always secure. And that's exactly what we help with you. Hi, I am Mariam and I represent Policy Hub, where we make insurance simple and easy to understand and help you choose the right policy that truly fits your needs. If you are considering the HDFC Ergo, whether it's buying a new policy or porting your existing one for better benefit, you don't have to figure it out alone. You can book your free consultation with us and link given in the description. And today in this video, I'm going to break down the HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plan's top standout features, because it's not just another health insurance policy, it's one of the most powerful options in the market right now. Because apart from the basics, Optima Secure gives you 5 standout benefits that truly matters when it comes to financial protection and peace of mind during medical emergency. So let's discuss its first feature, which is secure benefit. Let's say you have purchased a health insurance policy with a base sum insured of 10 lakh. Now imagine a situation where a major surgery or prolonged hospitalization pushes your treatment cost up to rupees 20 lakh. Normally, you would be scrambling to arrange the money or extra 10 lakh, but with the secure benefit, your base cover doubles from day one, meaning your 10 lakh instantly become 20 lakh with no waiting period. And this automatic boost can be a truly lifesaver during high-cost medical emergencies. Next feature is super secure benefit. It's tailored for those who prefer long-term financial planning. If you choose to pay your premium for 3 years upfront, your base sum insured does not just double, it's triple from the start. So 10 lakh health cover become 30 lakh from the day one. This is a powerful advantage for families looking to lock in higher protection without the worry of future premium hike or policy upgrades. And the another standout feature is restoration benefit. Restoration benefit ensures you never run out of coverage in the same policy year. For instance, if one family member uses the entire 10 lakh sum insured for a critical illness and later in the year another member needs hospitalization, or even the same person require more care, the plan restore the full 10 lakh sum insured automatically, or you can say you can restore your base sum insured again automatically. And this provides ongoing financial security when your family need it most. Another feature is, which is very unique, which is plus benefit. The plus benefit adds another layer of long-term value. Every year you stay insured, your sum insured increase by 50% and it keeps growing until it reaches double your original cover. So your 10 lakh become 15 lakh after 1 year, 20 lakh in the next year. And the best part is that even if you make claim, your bonus remain untouched. That means continued growth and consistent protection without penalties. So, as you already know, if you hear about HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Plan, this plan gives you 4x coverage. So, how it works? So, let me explain. If you have 10 lakh sum insured, then you can grow it to 40 lakh automatically without any extra premium. Like if we talk about its features, secure benefit, in which we have discussed, it's double your base cover from the day one. So it means if you have 10 lakh sum insured, your coverage will be 20 lakh from day one. If you have opted super secure benefit, in super secure benefit, if you pay 3 years premium at once, your 10 lakh become 30 lakh from day one. In plus benefit, your sum insured increases by 50% every year even after claim. So 30 lakh become 40 lakh in the second year. So all this without paying extra for riders or add-ons. Just choose the right base plan and the payment option and your coverage multiplies automatically. And the another and last standout feature, which is most not covered by companies, which is protect benefit. Protect benefit take care of the smaller, often overlooked costs like PP kits, syringes, gloves, sanitizers, and other consumable items. It can account for 20 to 25% of your hospital bills. With this benefit, those non-payable expenses are covered to up to the sum insured. So you are not left with the unpleasant surprises when it's time to settle your hospital bill. Together, these 5 features make HDFC Ergo Optima Secure a powerful and practical health insurance plan designed to handle both routine care and real life emergencies with confidence. So that's how the 5 benefits of HDFC Ergo Optima Secures work together to give you protection that actually grows with time. And if you want to know more about HDFC Ergo, like the detailed plan, riders, or even a complete review, you will find those videos linked on the end screen. So do take a look, and if this video helped you, just share it with someone who's exploring health insurance, who you love the most, and of course hit subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos, especially the real stories I'll be sharing in the next. Then see you in the next video. Till then, bye.